There are few things I love in this world. The sheer power of the diesel-electric GE Genesis locomotive, also known as the Surfliner, weighs in at roughly 270,000 pounds. We are talking about a 175.2 liter, 45 degree V16 turbocharged engine. Its operating speed is 110 miles per hour at over 4,000 horsepower. It has a modernized monocoque car body design, meaning it's lighter, more efficient than its predecessor. I like to call myself a train enthusiast. I will only wear one thing when I do: pop overalls, confidence, utility.